Coming up next, it's Ed, Edd and Eddy, followed by Johnny Bravo on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Boomerang, followed by Looney Tunes on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's the Powerpuff Girls, followed by Samurai Jack on Cartoon. Coming up next, it's Late Night Black and White, followed by Boomerang on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Dexter's Laboratory, followed by Codename Kids Next Door on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Totally Spies, followed by Dexter's Laboratory on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Hamtaro, followed by Sitting Ducks on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Hamtaro, followed by Pekala on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? Followed by the 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Toonheads, followed by Bugs and Daffy on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Johnny Bravo, followed by Cow and Chicken on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's the Powerpuff Girls, followed by Codename Kids Next Door on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's more Toonheads, followed by The Chuck Jones Show on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's He-Man, followed by Pokemon on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Baby Looney Tunes, followed by a pup named Scooby-Doo on Cartoon. Coming up next, it's Duck Dodgers, followed by Whatever Happened to Robot Jones on Cartoon Network.